Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, chesh, yakshi, mash and good day y'all. So today we're going to be doing a trying to fix video, attempting to fix. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you from Dave and from John, who sent me a gift from my Amazon wishlist, which were two hoses for washing machines, the nice long hoses. So first of all, I'd like to say a great big thank you to these. These will come very, very handy when I need to do some videos with washing machines in the studio. As you've seen, I've got some of them now lined up next to, you know, as part of the workshop. So thank you very much for these. These will be used a lot, so thank you very much. Much appreciated. If anybody does wish to give me something from the Amazon wish list that you'll find in the description on my videos, you will get a mention and a thank you once I receive, you know, if you let me say that again. If you send me a gift, I will say a big thank you on a video for you. So thanks for that. Excellent. So I'm going to pop them to one side, crack on with today's video, and have a little bit of coffee first, because one needs a little coffee. Awesome. Now today's video is these. These are little solar powered lights. They're for steps or little walls or decking or wherever, and they're solar powered lights. So they don't have an amazing illumination on them, but they are, at night I have them around the pond. So I bought a pack of 10 of these, and unfortunately 2 of them will not work. They will not charge, they never came on, they just didn't work out of the box, whereas these ones obviously have. So what we're going to be doing is a bit of an investigation to find out why these aren't working, looking at the circuits. Maybe maybe it's just a simple fact that the batteries don't work, so we will take a look at that. So I'm going to get some screwdrivers and my multimeter, and let's have a look and see if we can do anything with these. What I plan to do, hopefully, is try and change the battery in them for another one. Maybe that's not working or whatever. Take a little look at the circuit board, see if anything's broken, but we'll give it a go. We will attempt to see if we can get these working again. So I'll be back in a moment. So let's start with the first one. There are 2 screws holding the lens on. Oh, well, blow me down with a feather duster. That's just come on. That's strange. Oh no, I wanted to do an investigation. Why was that? Now the blooming thing is working. Why would that? Just suddenly stop. Let's test the voltage of the battery in there. .23. 1.23 volts. So there's definitely plenty of charge in the battery. This one, for example, this Duracell, is 1.5 volts. Yeah, 1.5, so that is fully charged battery. So why was the screw causing that, stopping that from working, and now all of a sudden it is? Right, let's put this back on. I'm just going to move the light ever so slightly that way, just to make sure that the cover of this wasn't touching it in some way. I mean, I'm glad it's working, but it's a bit disappointing. We've still got one to go, so let's have a look. No, that's fine. Ah. Right, okay, so there's one magically fixed. This one, as you can see, definitely does not come on. I'll cry if this one does the same thing. Oh, you joking me? This has to be the most rubbish fix-it video on YouTube. That's done exactly the same thing. Let's check the voltage in there. 1.22, yeah. Plenty of power in there. I've just moved that back a little bit more. Why? That's crazy. Seriously, that has got to be the most boring fix-it video in YouTube history. Just a matter of taking out the screws which hold the cover in, and all of a sudden it magically works. Well, that was really disappointed. I wanted to be able to take them apart and use gadgets and gizmos and tests and everything, and it was a very simple matter of just taking off a screw and screwing it back in. So I don't know what was stopping it. We shall probably never find out now unless they stop again tonight. So I'm afraid, my friends, if this is the end of the video, then I'd like to thank you very much for watching this extremely short video. And if by some instance that I do find that they don't work by tomorrow, then I will carry on the video. So this possibly might be farewell, and a huge apology for making the worst video ever. And my videos aren't very good to begin with, so I do apologize. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.